You're watching Global News Morning.
Good morning to you. 8 o'clock here on your Friday. It is December 6th, which means 19 days till Christmas. So much to be thankful for. We're in the Christmas season. It's Pledge Day today, Jordan. It's a good day.
Oh, I love it. Aren't you excited for Christmas?
I'm excited. I think now we can get ready for Christmas. We're excited for it. I'm waiting to see the moment. Your microphone is on. Bueller.
Have a moment of your time?
No, there we go.
I'm so excited. Let's do that again. Ha! It's Christmas. It's such a good time.
19 days.
19 days. What are we going to do in those 19 days? Probably spend too much money.
Eat too much. Sleep too little.
Yeah, totally. No sleep. -10. Who needs sleep? -10 right now. You're going to get to shovel some snow this weekend. Yay! Details coming up.
And we've got breaking news to top the news that we've been following for you all morning long. Police are still at the scene of a shooting in Mackenzie Town in the southeast where 2 men were shot and were rushed to hospital. Doug Vason has been down there in the deep southeast all morning long and joins us now with the latest on this one. Good morning, Doug.
Good morning to you, Dallas. We're in the community of Elgin, and just now an evidence team appears to be on scene waiting for first light to get the best possible advantage and start looking for evidence in the street behind me where we believe the shooting occurred. They're exchanging notes with a police officer on scene who was earlier poking around with his flashlight looking for evidence in this shooting. It happened at about just after 2 o'clock this morning.